Today we're covering garage floor peeling, why coatings fail and how to fix it. Here's what you need to know. Garage floor coatings peel when prep, adhesion, or curing conditions fail. Learn why coatings fail and the repair steps to prevent it happening again. Quick answer. Garage floor coatings peel because concrete wasn't properly prepped, moisture wasn't controlled, or incompatible primers and topcoats were used. Repairs cost 2 to 8 per square foot and require complete removal of failed coating, moisture testing, chemical etching, and professional reapplication. Skipped prep is the top cause of failure. A garage floor coating should protect concrete for 5 to 10 years. When it starts peeling in patches within 18 months, it's not a manufacturing defect. It's almost always a surface preparation or moisture issue. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company diagnoses and repairs peeling garage floors across the region, and this post walks through why coatings fail, how to repair them, and what to expect to pay. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in garage floor coatings, epoxy resurfacing, and concrete repair, including diagnosis and remediation of peeling or failed coatings. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A properly prepped and installed garage floor coating costs 3 to 12 per square foot and typically lasts 5 to 10 years with proper maintenance. This post explains why coatings fail, what repair costs look like, and how to choose a contractor who gets it right the first time. Moving on to why garage floor coatings fail. Garage floor coatings fail for one of 3 reasons: inadequate surface preparation, uncontrolled moisture, or incompatible materials. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, 85% of coating failures trace back to surface prep alone. The concrete substrate is porous and absorbent. If it isn't cleaned, etched, or primed correctly, the coating has nowhere to grip. Moisture is the second culprit. Concrete naturally wicks water upward from the ground, a process called capillary rise. If moisture vapor transmission (MVT) exceeds 3 to 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet per 24 hours, epoxy or polyurethane coatings will bubble, blister, and eventually peel. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.